Hey there, have you ever found yourself diving deep into containerization technologies when you hear Azure Container Instances thrown around? Well, buckle up, because this is going to be your full 1-hour crash course on just how to run container images in Azure Container Instances, complete with the nitty-gritty for deployment, optimization, and troubleshooting, all geared towards enhancing your enterprise's agility in the cloud. Let's start from the basics. Azure Container Instances is a managed container service that allows you to run .NET Core, Java, Node.js, and Golang applications without the overhead of configuring the hosting environment. Imagine it like a magic box. You pack everything you need inside, specify the environment variables, and then you are good to go. The magic box knows everything: how much CPU and memory to dedicate, where to run your container to minimize latency, and how long to keep it running without billing you extra for idle resources. Now that we have the context cleared, let's talk strategy: how to deploy your container images to Azure Container Instances effectively. First things first, you've got to ensure your container images are built correctly using Microsoft's Container Registry service. These images are self-contained and can run independently without relying on another service, which is what makes ACIs so amazing in a managed cloud environment. Once your images are built and pushed to ACR, you are ready to deploy them using the Azure CLI or the Azure portal. Setting the right tags, environment variables, and resource requests are crucial here. Think of tags as the identifying name tag for where your container is running. They provide a straightforward way to manage your containers and can be used alongside the resource manager templates for orchestrating ACI creation and scaling. Now, imagine this: during a deployment, you get a 403 forbidden error. That's the kind of issue I'm talking about, where permissions just don't line up with what you are doing, an all too common pitfall for devs. To tackle such troubleshooting head-on, I'll share some quick tips. Double-check your ACR permissions and make sure those fancy secrets you set in your templates are accurately injected during deployment. A misplacement can throw you a curveball. Speaking of curves, let's not forget about scaling. Your container could be the star of the show one day and a backstage hand the next. With ACI, you can horizontally scale your deployment with just a few Azure CLI commands or through Azure portal by adding more instances based on the metrics you care about, like CPU or memory utilization. This means you can maintain consistent performance in the face of peaks in demand, a critical skill in the cloud services biz. And because I like to keep the balance, after scaling, remember to optimize for cost. You see, Azure isn't cheap, but with the right strategies, like right-sizing resources and considering spot pricing, you can keep those costs down without affecting your performance. A little known gem here is spot pricing for intermittent workloads, though it's not without its risks, but it can be a goldmine for cost savings. Let's shift gears. Security. I hate to ruin the fun, but it's non-negotiable. I'll show you how to harden your ACI templates and images, secure those credentials, and make sure you are following the best practices from the Open Container Initiative to keep your apps safe and sound. Now that we've set the stage and covered the basic run of the show when deploying container images in ACI, I want you to think deploy ready. That means integrating service meshes, health checks, and persistent storage where needed, because your container needs to be tough to go the distance. Implementing this into an enterprise level means you've got to think beyond the individual deployment. Integration with other services becomes a story about seamless interactions with your identity provider, orchestration services like Azure Automation, and external services all through Azure. Connect keep the ecosystem tight and efficient. To bring this full circle, let's not forget the golden rule of Azure, always keep documentation up to date. From your ACI setup to your deployment processes, have a plan that can stand the test of time, because the only true measure of a deploy is its ability to scale back up when called upon. And remember, if you want to stay savvy in this fast-evolving field, never stop learning. Take advantage of Azure's vast arsenal of labs, certification paths, and workshops to fine-tune your skills. So, as you absorb this deluge of insight, think about how you can take your own Azure deployment to new heights. From understanding your cost structures to keeping the security protocols ironclad, every aspect has been broken down for maximal enterprise value. Ready for the next step? Visit neeraj.zzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more cutting-edge insights into cloud architectures like never before. I hope this has given you not just a glimpse but a clear map to master the deployment of container images in Azure Container Instances. Till our next deep dive, happy cloud architecting!